Hello friends, in this lesson I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of one unable to select the profit center business unit while defining the inventory organization. Okay, so let's go into Oracle Fusion Cloud instance to understand this issue first, and then I'm going to show you the solution. Okay, alright, so here I am in Oracle Fusion instance, and before we go and look into the issue details and associated resolution, we will check which instance release and version we are on. So basically we are on release 13 with a version of 21D, which is supposed to be the latest at the moment. So I'm going to close this, and to replicate the issue, you see I will go into setup and maintenance, and the issue was coming while creating an inventory organization. So let's go, either you can go to supply chain execution or to procurement to create a new inventory organization. I'm going to go into procurement, and here I would say something like inventory, and then hit the search button, and then you see you have this hyperlink for manage inventory organization. So you click on this particular hyperlink, and once again you click on this particular hyperlink, and here I'm going to create a new inventory organization by clicking on this plus icon, and here I'm going to give some name. So let's say California inventory organization. Okay, something like this. I'm just giving a name, and here you have to give a short form of that. So CAINO, something like this I give. Okay, and then you give the management business unit, and I'm gonna say something like US1. Okay, and then as you could see, this profit center business unit is null. I will try to give a legal entity as US1 as well. Nothing is coming over here. Ideally this should be populated automatically from the definition of whatever business unit and legal entity we have given, but nothing is coming up. So that's the exact issue, why it is not coming up, and what is the root cause of this issue. And here it is pointing to some other business units, right? AR1 or Tata USB, or maybe not associated with this particular US1 business unit, so which is incorrect. So how to fix this particular issue? Ideally this should be populated automatically, or if not, we should have a value in the list of values. So this is the issue that I was getting. And how did I solve it? I investigated, and I found the root cause in the definition of the business unit itself. So the business unit, US1 business unit, I'm going to cancel this, come out of this particular manage inventory organization form, and then I would search for a task for, let's say, business unit, and hit the search button, and then you look for a task assign business unit business function. You click on this particular hyperlink. Once again you click on this particular hyperlink, and you see in this particular business unit definition everything is fine, but if you carefully look, this particular option below legal entity is unchecked, and that is what is the one which is responsible for profit center business unit option while creating the inventory organization definition. So you check this checkbox, okay, and then you hit the save and close button, and you accept the warning, hit the OK button, and come out of this. Okay, and try to make sure this option is saved. So if you go and look back, this option should be there, and you see we have chosen the scope as US1 business unit. Make sure you choose the scope of the business unit which is what you were using while you were creating your inventory organization. Okay, so this option is saved now. Now we can safely come out of this by cancelling, and then again I'm going to go and look for inventory organization definition form. So okay, and I'm gonna go back to manage inventory organizations, and then I will go back again like this, and then I'm going to click on create new inventory organization, and then here I'm going to give same name, California Inventory Organization, okay, like this, and give a name CAINO as a short form, and then manage business unit as US1 business unit, okay, and then I'm going to give the legal entity as once again US1, and you see now this profit center business unit automatically has come. So where it has come automatically? From the setup, the checkbox I have shown you in business unit definition form. And now if I go on next, I would be able to save this inventory organization, then would be able to give inventory organization parameters, and then would be able to save the definition of inventory organization successfully. So this is how you resolve the issue of profit center business unit not appearing in the create inventory organization form.